friends, I hope you're all doing well. Unfortunately, I haven't been feeling well for the past few days, but today we decided to go for a run in nature. Being in nature feels like therapy to me and gives me so much good energy. But guys, it was freezing outside and I also hadn't run since my half marathon, so it was really difficult and I couldn't run more than a kilometer, so we just ended up walking the rest of the way. On our way back home, we stopped by Ika to buy a few things for tonight's dinner. I want to make basil pasta for tonight that I got the recipe from my friend. Guys, everything went well, but I don't know why my pasta started breaking when I wanted to mix it with the sauce. Oh, that was a bit disappointing. I don't know, maybe next time I should try a different type of pasta, but it tasted really good. So delicious. Before going to bed, I just did my night skin routine. It's nothing special. I just use my face wash, retinol, hydrating serum, and moisturizer. That's all, so simple.